Hi, welcome to this Herbstluftwm. The video is about volume and music and all that. When you update your system, you get a new application in the sense that the application was already there, but I think we better put it there for everybody that's starting out. And this application is volume icon. Now personally I don't need it, but it's quite handy in the sense that it just provides us a little volume icon, and you can just say the sound here, how hard and how low you want to have it, and you have maybe your keyboard chords, keyboard shortcuts or keys on your system as well you'd like to use. So it's all about that. Now personally I don't need it, I don't want it, but I don't want it's a big word. It's nice to have it there. It's easy, but with the Ctrl-Alt-U, I'm already at my most professional overview I could have for sound. This is PAVU control, pulse audio volume control. So in short, PAVU control if you type it in the terminal. You have here the playback, so if I'm going to play back via Spotify or NCM, PCP or Praga or anything else, it's going to have a line here of Firefox or Google Chrome. It's going to have a line. So the recording in here is set, the output is set, the input is set. So all these things can be changed here. Just wait for it and say, okay, set this as fallback, right? And an output device is going to be this one as fallback. You can mute things. You say, don't want to have this one or that one. So it's all here, what I need to for music anyway. But there's a nice volume, and you can go to the preferences here, volume icon, and change whatever you like. So if I want to have this HyperX virtual surround with a cord, so that's a headphone with a cord, not my Bluetooth set. So you can put that up, hook that up, you can change some things here, and it's interesting of course to have this available if you can change some elements here. But again, if you just right click here and go to open mixer, where are you? At PAVU control. Okay. So that's one thing that I want to include in the video, but the next thing is probably some settings. Well, the settings can be either in this one for volume, right? So you scroll down, you see if anything is available in here. And the next thing is this one. So 2 places at Herbstluftwm for any settings. And in here, if you type in volume, or there you go, multimedia keys, volume, this is working fine because it launches actually something. It launches an A mixer, say, okay, put it a little bit harder or softer, or mute it. Now here it becomes difficult, well, in the sense that it's not difficult, but you should read. Player control works for Praga, Spotify and others. Delete the line for MPC if you want to use player control. Putting a hashtag in front of the MPC line will not work. It's a little bit strange. So if you say, I'm not gonna use this NCMPCPP thing, which is a bit a strange kind of thing. I don't know if I've installed it, I think so. So NCP, voila. So that's a terminal based kind of thing. So you can go over your albums and go via the keyboard shortcuts, keyboards, yeah, tabs, okay, and all that. But if that's not your thing, you say, whoa, not really my thing at all. So what you need to do is actually delete MPC toggle lines, whatever you see MPC, and then SXHQD will get it. So run audio play. So when I press play button, I have some keys on my keyboard here that says stop, 1 back, play and pause, I suppose, and go ahead, next one. So these things need to be edited. You need to change it and then save it, and of course reload it. Now normally Super Shift S is going to reload, but often I just log out, log in to make sure that everything is loaded up correctly. Now I make the video, so I'm gonna really test, and even so with copyright, with music and all that. So this is what you need to do if you want to have your keyboards working. If you want to just press the button, next. Now if you have a headphone like I have, like a Bose headphone, what I do as an well finger memory thing on my headset, you just press next one, next one, next one. So we do it via Bluetooth actually. And that's no setting at all. I mean, there's no change to do anywhere, it just works. All right, that's it for me. So enjoy your music on your system and don't forget to delete these lines if you don't need them. All right, cheers.